Hello friends, Tripura Public Service Commission bisingtai tini kaisa kotal notification khorka 14 June 2022 no o notification bisingtai sijak tongo narojara LD assistant cum typist grade 6 job ni bagai apply khlaijak tongnai rok tei norokni exam date 19 June 2022 rojak tongmani tei norokni exam date no change khlai rijak kha tei norokni exam lajaknai 3 July 2022 o tarikh no exam lajaknai tamani bagai norokni exam date change khlai rijak kha hingke tei sijak tongo for assembly seats election ni bagai no norokni exam date no change khlaiui 3 July 2022 o tarikh no exam lajaknai hinui notification rijak kha tei norokni exam lajaknai LD assistant cum typist grade 6 job ni bagai 3 July 2022 o tarikh no exam lajaknai hinui sajak. To friends, omo hai kotal notification naina bagai hasteni job channel no subscribe khlai support khlai di.